Baliw pala talaga yung side. Gagalingan ka na talaga.
So, today, it's Monday. Kaya, nandito kami sa Darny Faith. Wala akong permission na nag-vlog sa phone ni Carla. Magmamak defense sana kami ngayon kay isa thesis advisor namin. Kasi Monday ngayon, tapos Wednesday. Ang ina na ito. No, Monday ngayon.
Dapat memorize natin yung likes natin. Good morning, panelists. We are the group. Okay, next.
Hindi na ako nakapag-say.
Nagsasabi ko lang si Ara. Di na lang yung pinibigay kong damit sa kanya.
Sabi na lang. Monday ngayon. Tapos Wednesday yung defense namin ng chapter 1 and 2. Tapos, parang ang new days namin na na-risked. Sa ano daw siya, 13 to 15. Tapos, yung defense nga, 13. Tapos may nabasa si Ruth na announcement sa Dabso na sarap, takin na. Pero wala pang may sakit ka. Ay, di yung mga magic tuloy na, no? Chat mo na si Sir. Tawagan mo, Bes. Bes!
Okay, may time pa ako. May part ako.
Gagalingan ka na talaga.
So, kasama tayo?
Graduating eh. Ha?
Non-graduating nga.
Graduating natin, Bes.
Nasaan dito, Bes? Saan ba? Hindi ko kasi binasa to eh. Ito lang yung binasa ko.
Oh, pag na best presenter tayo ah. Ilalas ka na yung defense, tas online. Dito na lang tayo pag online. Tapos dito yung lamesa, tas sa inyo.
Ayan na.
Oo, totoo.
Hindi po mamumove yung defense. Kumain na ba mo si Carla?
Kukuha na ako ng lakas.
Next side sila, oo.
Ano ba?
Gusto mo.
Pero wala silang awa sa atin.
Oo nga.
Eh, pero okay lang yan para matapos na tayo. Bili na kayo sa yellow basket ko. Para may paldo na ako. Ayun. Pinaasa lang kami.
Research suggested.
Depends pa rin sa Wednesday. Wala. Nilaro lang nila yung feelings namin. Hindi nila kami inisip. Nag-u-day sila kami, nagde-defense.
Sila naka-forma, tayo forma.
Wow! Hindi ko naisip yan. Galing mo doon.
To begin, in a culture where marriage is often seen as a marker of success, remaining single challenges
Angels, babe!
Baliw pala talaga yung side. Bes, na ano na sila.
Multi-dimensional scale of
Anong ganap mo dyan?
Saan dyan?
In a culture where marriage is often seen as a marker of success, the greatest is norm. Singlehood in the United States has increased from 29% to 38% over the last few decades.
Furthermore, research indicates experience higher level of fear of being single due to society 35. The data will be interpreted by
Mga tinidor na lang pero wala tinidor
Siya, hindi siya kakain. Ito, kumain na siyang gamer. Ako.
Pia, pakadala nga lang yun. Pia, yung baso ko may yellow yun. Kumuha kayo ayon sa konsensya niya.
Wala akong konsensya, sakto.
Baka mashoot ko din. Good girl ako sa Samsung side. Sa ko side. Medyo.
Anong ko, Bes?
Ako, Samsung half Chinese. Yung nakadorm yung nagluto. Pwede ko tumako. Good morning to everyone. I'm Ruth Zapanta and these are my core researchers. And today we are the third group to present our research proposal entitled Fear of Being Single and Perceived Social Support for the Filipino Woman Needed to Be Fulfilled, which can lead to the fear of being single or internal anxiety linked to lower life satisfaction. On the other hand, being single and perceived social support are both important factors that may directly influence as well as the relationship between perceived social support and married Filipino women. The researchers hope to provide goals to challenges this morning. Singlehood in the United States has increased from 29% to 30%. Because of this, scholars argue that singlehood should be viewed as a valid life choice instead of a deficit. It is more complex. As the last and only in 2024 highlight the cultural pressures. Science explain that these pressures may be rooted in unrelativity or the belief that a relationship is important in being fulfilled, which can lead to the fear of being single and internal anxiety and offense, can has well-being even with another romantic partner. Negative factors that may directly influence how individuals evaluate their overall life satisfaction, either by increasing psychological pressure reminder of respecting available social and highlighting the
Ito, pink. Ito, orange.
Likod.
Orange na lahat yan.
memorize yung mga parts.
Oh, ma-flash ako. Pink. Yung kamay ko parang kay Bang Chan. Parang mali. Ganyan lang yun sa normal, pero kaya ko pa siyang magalan. Wala namang intay-intay si Bakma. Ano sa'yo? Magkano? Oo.
Ay, offer